Look at this video. This woman has natural mannerisms, a distinct voice, and sits in a perfectly lit room. But she is entirely AI generated. Creators are using digital personas exactly like this to build massive audiences on YouTube and TikTok and generate revenue online. They do it entirely from a laptop, without ever buying a camera, setting up lights, or stepping in front of a lens. This three-part pipeline builds a digital persona: generate a physical appearance, engineer a voice, and animate the performance. We use a specific software stack: ChatGPT for visuals, Google Flow for voice and animation, and a video editor to assemble the timeline. By removing the physical limitations of production, AI allows anyone with a script and internet connection to compete in the creator economy. Step 1 is defining exactly what your character looks like. To avoid unpredictable results, we start with a custom character prompt generator to lock in precise demographic and stylistic traits. Inside the generator, you move down the list and select the specific details: a female character, an age range of 25 to 34, a European ethnicity, a petite body type, and long, wavy black hair. But the physical traits are only half the equation. The background scene is what actually sells the illusion that your character exists in a tangible, real-world space. Instead of guessing the lighting and decor, you can pull a reference image, like a photography studio backdrop, straight from Pinterest and upload it directly into the generator to copy its aesthetic. There is one technical requirement here. The tool will only analyze your uploaded background if you are actively logged into your account. Once the form is complete, the tool outputs a dense paragraph of specific instructions. Copy that finalized text, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter to generate the initial static character portrait. This comparison shows how accurate that process is. On the left is our empty reference backdrop, and on the right is our generated character sitting in that exact room. The lighting and environment are perfectly translated. Structuring the visual prompt and tying it to a real-world reference guarantees a believable environment that grounds the digital character in reality. Now we need to make her move and speak. We use Google Flow as the core engine to merge our static image with a consistent behavioral and vocal profile. Inside Google Flow, start a fresh workspace, navigate to the character section, and import the portrait you just downloaded from ChatGPT. Next, you add a voice. You can engineer a custom vocal identity entirely through text simply by describing how you want her to sound, like requesting a lady with a crisp British accent. Hit save, and the software immediately provides an audio preview, so you can verify the accent and pacing. Before leaving this menu, input a brief personality description. Adding traits like warm or conversational helps shape the emotional tone of her delivery. By permanently linking this specific vocal signature and personality to the static image, you transform a flat picture into a recognizable, repeatable character. With the character saved, open the video generation timeline. First, disable agent mode, activate video mode, select a 16:9 aspect ratio, and max duration to 10 seconds. This stylized interface shows exactly how to tag your assets. In the scene box, type the @ symbol and select the original background image file. Moving down to the subject parameter, you must select the named character profile icon rather than the raw image file. Scroll down to the audio section and tag the exact same character profile one more time. This definitively locks in the vocal identity we engineered earlier. When you paste in your script, limit each dialogue segment to 32 words or less. Google Flow caps video generation at 10 seconds, and exceeding that word count will break the render. To make the performance feel natural, you can trigger physical expressions by inserting action commands in brackets directly into your dialogue script, like writing "looks at her body" mid-sentence. Look at this generated clip. Because of that bracketed text cue, the digital model seamlessly breaks eye contact, glances down, and re-engages the camera. To process an entire script, hover over the finished clip, click the Reuse prompt arrow to reload all your exact settings, paste in your next 32 words, and repeat to cycle. Nailing the precise asset tags and strictly managing the 32-word limit ensures every individual render is clean, resulting in a flawless AI performance. Once every line of your script is rendered, export the raw video files and drop them into a standard video editor like CapCut. Arrange the generated clips sequentially on the timeline so the dialogue matches the exact flow of your original script. Now, tighten the edits. Trim away any dead space, awkward digital pauses, or mechanical frame jumps at the very beginning and end of each clip. The result is a continuous, polished video. The AI character speaks fluidly, gestures naturally, and maintains consistent eye contact without any jarring artificial pauses. Mastering this automated pipeline gives anyone the tools to build a scalable brand and deliver premium content, all without ever stepping in front of a lens.